What up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. I'm homeless.
Good morning, and welcome to day 2 of driving the Alaska Highway. Let me prop you up. That's not bad. It was a little chilly last night. We slept like rocks. We're all rested up. The time change messed with me, so I was up at like 6, ready to rip. Yep, we are just lounging, trying to figure out where we're going. I mean, there's only one way. It's just a straight road. We're going through Fort Nelson, and yeah, I don't know. I think that's like our last major town. I'm trying to find this hot spring, so hopefully we get to end up there. But it's like 350 miles from here. We're used to driving, like, you know, across the U.S. when speed limits were 80. And we could cover like 500 miles a day, and the speed limits here vary between like 45 and 55 or 60. So that slows us down. We're gonna get ready. It's putting the bed back. It's kind of a giant shit show in here right now.
Karma found the sun.
Karma, I think you're in the camera.
It's
You gotta put Karma's blanket on. Just put my clothes away, and then everything goes back underneath the bed. And what doesn't fit in the bins goes on top of the bins. So here, I'll show you. So our clothes bins are under there, and then like my Crocs, and I'll put my slippers. All right, let's go for a ride. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. We kind of shoved all our food back here because we stocked up so much on food, and we kind of just realized that we don't have that many days until we get to Alaska, which means we have to eat all of our produce and stuff. Like now.
Bananas.
Lots of clementines. At least we're being healthy. All right, we're leaving our free campsite. Those are our German neighbors still.
Yeah, and 600,000.
I know, I'm jealous. I want that. It's 65 degrees. And how much gas do we have? Let's see. Oh, that's it. 254 miles. We should make it. Alright, made it on the Alaska Highway from our camp spot. We're, you know, going 25 miles an hour. And I'm following along in the milepost book. They're doing bridge repair. Alright, we are 158 kilometers from Fort Nelson, which is 97 miles. I was just editing some videos, and we had to urgently stop while we were going like, what, 60 miles an hour and pull over because Karma was gagging. I think she got car sick. So I like had to let her out, and she like waited to throw up until she got out of the van and ran to the bushes. So I had to run to the bushes with her to make sure there's like not any bears or anything. But she's fine now.
Oh, this is a dirt road now.
What the? Oh.
Oh, dirt again?
Yeah, windshield's getting clean.
Heck yeah. Coming down hard. That's good.
Yeah. That's how exciting this is. I've been waiting 50 miles to see a sulfur gas pipeline crossing the highway overhead at 24.6 feet. And I think we're getting there. It seems like gas territory. Come on, where is it?
Well, I hate to give you a problem situation here, but there's a factory back there that looked to be about about 23 feet tall.
No.
With a pipe that was capped on the end. So it might not go over the road.
Oh, that was my entertainment.
Time to pay for gas. Let's see if the mildly bent credit card works.
Okay. It's
Mattea
fine.
dropped it in the dock last night and almost lost it forever. Don't know why it was just randomly in her pocket.
I don't know. I just lose everything. I'm not allowed to carry anything important. But we're stopped here. Gas is $1.75 a liter in Fort Nelson. So $1.75 a liter is $4.91 a gallon. And it was $115.09 worth of gas. So that's like $84 in US. We are like 3.5 hours away from our next stop where we're going to stay for the night. It's a little windy. We're getting blown all over. And this is the road.
It's gotten so good. Well, the road has.
And it's gotten really narrow.
Yeah. Narrow and bumpy. Windy with scary trucks.
What do you think? Kilometer 505. Let's see. Oops, I just ripped the book. It's not even in here.
More construction.
Really? More construction?
I'm trying to catch up to these guys so I don't get stuck at it like I did the last one.
I think we're good.
Slow.
Yeah, we're making it. Woo! We made it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're the last ones.
Hey.
Air protection?
I don't think so. They're a different breed here.
Yeah. Big mountains over here. Back to Big Mountain Land. Big Mountain people.
Also, we just saw our first black bear on the side of the road. That was cool.
Look at that thing.
Wow. We just pulled over, let Karma out, stretched her little legs, and made some BLTs. We have to eat all of our fresh produce, so
BLTs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
no more ramen. We are probably a few hours from where we're staying tonight. I don't really know. There's no service or anything. We're kind of just going with it.
Free ball.
Karma had a little tomato and some spinach, and she's fueled up.
Summit Lake, which is the
Highest point in the Alaska Highway.
cool up here. We're starting to get back into like mountain country.
Yeah, so Summit Pass, which is back there, was 4,250 feet. So, yeah. But yeah, it's finally getting a little bit more exciting.
Yeah, definitely. And it's 59 now.
Yeah, it's a little cold. I hope we get a sight at the hot spring, because I want to go sit in the hot springs. We stopped at Muncho Lake. It's super green and blue. In the milepost book, it says it's 700 feet deep.
Crazy.
Apparently, the old Alaska Highway went up above these cliffs up here. And then in the late 40s, it was too dangerous, so they blasted, and now the road's down here. It's pretty cool. Very pretty.
Look this moose. That's up here.
They're camping right there. Vermont?
What?
What? We just got gas in Muncho Lake, and we thought, how much was it earlier? It was like $1.75 a liter. We thought that was bad. This was at $2.34 a liter.
Yeah, look, I had to pay my left arm for it.
there's also a 5% tax on it for $1.91.
What?
So it says GST. Yeah, that was for 17 liters. We don't have cell phone service, so I'll try to convert it. Bye, Karma. Bye-bye. Are you coming? We're gonna leave you. Come on, get in there. Go, go. This is the last remaining suspension bridge on the Alaska Highway. It was built in 1943, I believe.
That's a really big river.
Yeah. Wow. This is super cool. It's an old one. It's like a weird cabin up there. We're almost to the hot springs. We're going to the hot spring.
Heck yeah, we are.
Poor Karma is left in the car, but it's okay.
She'll be fine.
We gave her some treats and put a note on the window. We're walking a 700-meter boardwalk. I don't know how long that is.
Beats me.
And we're hoping it's not too busy.
What up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. I'm homeless.
It's nice here.
It's very nice. Look at my face, ready? Makes my neck look huge when I get out. Alright, we just got back from the hot spring. It was so nice. Karma was screaming as expected. Now we're parking the overflow camping because it was cheaper to like buy camping for the night because it included hot spring passes. So instead of paying $10 total tonight and then $10 in the morning before we go, we just paid $26 Canadian for camping, and then we can use the hot spring tonight until 10:30 p.m. and then tomorrow morning until 11 a.m. Well, it's not that bad. But yeah, now we are just getting the van ready, and then we'll probably just go to bed.
Probably.
Yeah, we're tired. We're all tired. Welcome to a dirtbag dinner, which is just cheese and crackers. This guy was riding his bike over and stopped to talk to us and commented how patriotic Mike's shirt is.
I then explained to him that
Have my piece of cheese.
you have a knife.
What?
I then explained to him that the shirt was $5, so I don't care what it looks like.
It was hilarious.
He was from Vancouver Island.
You're an animal.
Sufficient. Is it not?
I like to break it up in chunks and then, you know, my own little cheese and cracker.
You're overhandling the cheese.
Right through the mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, we're in bed. We just brushed our teeth and spit into a
garbage bag.
Yeah, we brushed our teeth and spit into a garbage bag. We have some neighbors tonight. We're gonna go to bed. It's like 9:30. We're gonna wake up early tomorrow and go to the hot spring, and then drive for a bit. Maybe like drive for a half day.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we don't know. But yeah, thanks for tuning in for day number 2 of driving to Alaska on the Alaska Highway. Tune in for next episode for day number 3. See if we see some more bears.
Tris.